Hey, what's up people? I am Atita Dikari representing Sci-Pi, and this is our first video in the Latex course. Let's get started. Before you begin, I want you to know the pronunciation of latex. Because of the letter X in the word latex, you might be tempted to say it latex, and I might have said this previously as well. But its actual pronunciation is latex. Now let's move on to the next slide where we see a sample document that was typed in latex. Now when you see this document, what captivates your sight? For me, it's the mathematical formula and the neat and clean layout of the document. You can see here that the mathematical formula and equations are pretty well written, and the margin and padding in the document is also uniform and it looks attractive. Now here's the thing, this was typed in latex. Now what is latex? LaTeX is a document preparation system for high quality typesetting. Well, when you use LaTeX, you eventually want to create a document, and the document is going to be a text document. It can include pictures as well. What is useful about LaTeX is that once you use LaTeX, you don't have to care about the paddings, the margins, the headers, and the footers. You can specify that in one particular position using codes, and then that is applied uniformly throughout the document. Now, by high quality typesetting, it means that whatever the thing you see in this document, all those beautiful things, it's all designed and taken care by LaTeX. But we as writers have got only one responsibility, and that is to add the text in the document. Now, it is most often used for medium to large technical or scientific documents, but it can be used for almost any form of publishing. Now, if you want to write scientific papers, you can use LaTeX. You want to write thesis, use it. You want to write a book, use it. You want to create your curriculum vitae, or you can want to create your resume, go ahead, LaTeX will do that for you. Now, with all this said, let's move on to a demo example that demonstrates how LaTeX works. For this course, I'll be using Overleaf. In front of me, I have got a document in which the left-hand side contains all the codes that will typeset our document, and in the right-hand side, we have the actual preview of the document. Now, just to see how things work in LaTeX, I'm going to write a few things. So we've got a section of introduction, and I want to write something that is, hello, we are learning LaTeX today, right? And then when I go and click on this recompile, I can see the changes applied here. And now I want to type a mathematical equation right here. So what I will do is I'll start / and a bracket, and then it just terminates that with that. And then now I'm going to write ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, right? I'm going to recompile this, and we will see this here. You can also zoom this, and you can see a beautifully typed mathematical equation here, ax squared plus bx plus c. Now you can just see that I used exponentiation 2 to get a superscript 2. If this were in Microsoft Word, we would have to use the graphical user interface to get this into superscript, or we would have to use shortcuts to achieve this. But now in LaTeX, we can get this only by using the codes. Now you can just see I'm writing code on the left-hand side, and then I click on this compile, or you can just see recompile, and then it just produces the output. So what you can just see, or you can say, is that LaTeX is a programming language. You write in codes, and the codes are compiled, and then you get an output. Now for the basic introduction of LaTeX, that is all, people. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye.